Hello, we are discussing about GATE 2014 ECE paper and held on 15th February morning session. And this question is going to be related to the op amp. And look at the arrow directions I1 and I2. We are going to calculate V0 value and we are not applying any input signal. Both terminals, that is nothing but inverting as well as non-inverting, both are going to be connected to ground. Whenever both are connected to the ground, at that time it is nothing but only the currents flowing in the op amp is biasing currents. Biasing currents are going to be flowing in this direction. So I1 always flows in this direction. This is I2 is the current flowing in this direction. This is I2 and it is I1. So here we are going with V0 is always calculated from plus to minus. Minus is nothing but this is at ground. So this is at 0 volts because of virtual ground. Since non-inverting terminal is at 0 volts and inverting terminal will also be at 0 volts. So you are going to calculate V0, that is V0 from this point to ground, which is nothing but voltage across R2. Voltage across R2, as the current is flowing in this direction, it will be plus minus. Voltage drop is nothing but I1 R2. So V0 can be written as I1 into R2. So the correct answer for this one is nothing but C. Remember that one. There is no input is applied, but the currents are flowing. They are biasing currents. One is going to the non-inverting terminal I1, I2, and inverting terminal current is I1. I1 is flowing through R2, whereas I2 is flowing from ground. Because of virtual concept, voltage across non-inverting terminal is same as voltage across inverting terminal. Non-inverting terminal is at 0 volts. That is nothing but inverting terminal is also at 0 volts. So you are calculating voltage, output voltage from output node to ground. That ground node is nothing but this node. That is voltage drop across R2 is nothing but output voltage. Current flowing through R2 is I1. Voltage up across R2 is I1 into R2, which is the voltage available at the output. V0 is nothing but I1 into R2. Thank you.